we introduce the DB06r series remote firing system, which is improved by Happy's firing system factory. The whole firing system is including 140 buttons remote and 6 channels receivers and a manual. The main features of this firing system is the alarm functions. You see, this is the warning lights. That means if you need to find one channel on the receiver, you have to press the channel 1 on the remote by 5 seconds. And then after you press the remote, the receiver will, the warning lights will flash and have the alarm sound. After 5 seconds, it can find the receiver, can find the channel 1. This is let the workers and the people know the firing system will fire the fireworks, and let them pay attention to this. Okay, first let's turn on the power switch. This receiver is powered by 6 pieces 3A batteries. And the remote is powered by 9 voltage batteries. Now turn on the power switch. The warning light is light, and here is the light for no voltage battery. If this LED is light, it means you need to change your batteries for receivers. First, we need to test the firing system. Turn off the power switch. Now we connecting igniters. This firing system can fire both electric igniters and the tiny igniters. Now we connecting 3 images to channel 1, 2, 3. And 10 igniters to channel 5. Now let us turn on again. Okay, we will see the testing light. If it is get red light, it means the igniters is connecting well. And no igniters, no red light. If the igniters is not connecting well, the testing light will get out. Okay. Use the remote. Turn on the power switch. The power light is getting red. Now let us use the remote to find the channel 1, 2, 3, and 5. Press channel 1. With the warning light. Press channel 2. The warning light will have a non-sound for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the channel will fire. Okay, let's find the 5th channel for the tiny igniters. Okay, we will see this light, the low voltage batteries flash. It means we need to change the batteries. The battery power is not enough to find the tiny igniters. Okay, now we change 6 new batteries. Now we use the new batteries to find the tiny igniters. Turn on again. Okay, let's find channel 5. Okay, the tiny igniters is fired. This firing system also have the program functions. That means if your remote is lost or damaged, you just need to buy a new remote. You don't need to buy the receivers, but you need to program the new remote to the older receivers. Now let's show you how to program it. Let us use a very small pin. Find the hole, the small hole for program. Let the pin press the hole, and you see the warning light is flash. Okay, now press any button on the remote. After the warning light flash 3 times, please first release your pin and then release the remote. Okay, now I press any button on the remote. The warning light is flashing and have sound. It means the remote and receivers is programmed successfully. This firing system also have the fire all and the sequential fire functions. When you press the all button on the remote, the 6 channels will fire together. When you press the sequential button on the remote, the 6 channels will fire by 0.4 second interval. It means after the first channel fire, the second channel will fire after 0.4 second, and then the third channel will fire after 0.4 second. It is the same with the 6 channels. This firing system also have the fire all and the sequential fire functions. When you press the all button on the remote, the 6 channels will fire together. When you press the sequential button on the remote, the 6 channels will fire by 0.4 second interval. It means after the first channel fire, the second channel will fire after 0.4 second, and then the third channel will fire after 0.4 second. It is the same with the 6 channels. That's all for the instruction. Thank you.